It's DIY with the Smyrna Cowboy. All right, let's go do something. Hello everybody, another episode of DIY with the Smyrna Cowboy here. On this episode, I'm gonna put in a driving lift seat kit for the Spyder. Do you guys remember when I was doing the 10,000 mile thing on there? Well, let me put that clip in there. And ever since I got the bike, it's got a gas strut where you have to pop the seat up to fill the tank up. Well, the gas seat, just to be honest with you, the gas strut has hardly ever worked at all. So I know it's out of warranty and everything else, so I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and get a stiffer aftermarket strut from Showchrome and to put in there. It's not that difficult to put in, it's just you gotta have hands of a contortionist to get in there. So I went ahead and got one of these because my walrus hands can get in behind there for the for the strut rod. So I'm going to put this in, and what everybody says, this is an easy install. And in theory, it is. In theory, I should say. I really should have took it back when I first got it, and it didn't hold up, but I didn't. So, take your stuff back for warranty work, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put this side on first. Hopefully the GoPro will pick it up. Let's see here. I think it goes like this. And we'll hopefully it'll pick it up. There we go. It fit right in there. Just wasn't holding my mouse right. And we'll put the push pin in there. Hear that nice little click. So let's go to the other side. And it should line up with no problem. Keyword here is should. And it does. And there it is. Ta-da! So once the I'll take the ratcheting strap off. Go to the gas station. Prop it up. And there it is. Easy peasy. Got enough room and everything for checking the oil and all that good stuff. So once you get the grommet lined up in the hole there, it's not a big problem. So there you go. That's it. That's all it is to it. Just 2 little push pins and you got yourself a seat holder. Well, that's it. That's all I got on this one. Fast and easy. So this is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee at the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.